Hello students, happy morning. Class 12 Physics, Unit 6, Ray Optics continuation video. In today's class, let me see what is mirror equation. Mirror equation is the one that can relate object distance, image distance and focal length of the spherical mirror. That is combinedly written as 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Okay, using this relation we can find the focal length of the spherical mirror by knowing the image distance and object distance. Vice versa, we can find the other things also. Okay, let me see how to solve the mirror equation. For that, first of all, we need a concave mirror. We need a concave mirror. Okay, this is a silvered surface, silver coated surface. This is a pole of the mirror. Here it is a center of curvature C. Line that join the principal pole and the pole and the center of curvature is known as principal axis. Here I am placing a object that is named as A B. Okay, from that object I consider three marginal ray. Okay, first marginal ray that will meet at the point D in the mirror. D in the mirror. Okay, after it will reflect and pass through focus. This point is known as focus. Okay, one more ray, that also a marginal ray that pass through center of curvature. Okay, after reflection it again retrace its path. Okay, then one more ray, that is a marginal ray that fall on the point P. By satisfying the law of reflection, it will reflect. Here the principal axis behave as a normal. Okay, at that point of intersection of these reflected ray, we get the image that is A dash B dash. Okay, see, at that point P, the law of reflection will be angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, see, as per law of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So we can write angle BPA is equal to angle B dash P A dash. Okay, this is I, this is also I. Okay, then the triangles BPA and the triangle B dash P A dash are similar triangles. So for the similar triangles, we know the ratio of sides are same. Okay, first of all I consider the triangle okay, this is the point P, this is A, this is B, this is B dash, this is A dash. Okay, we know from the law of reflection, this is I, this is also I, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. So these two triangles are similar triangles. For that similar triangles the ratio of the sides are same. So here I consider A dash B dash by AB. A dash B dash by AB is equal to side of this triangle is P A dash by PA. I consider this one as equation 1. Okay, then after I consider one more similar triangles. Okay, that is triangle DPF and the triangle B dash B dash A dash F. These two triangles also a similar triangles. Okay, see, DPF and the triangle A dash F B dash or B dash F A dash. Okay, these two triangles are similar triangles. Here I draw this. See this. Here the point P, this is the point D. Here this is A dash, this is B dash. Okay, opposite vertical angles are same, so this angle and this angle will be same. Here it is 90 degree, here also 90 degree, so these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay, so for that the ratio of the sides will be same, so we can write A dash B dash by AB is equal to A dash B dash by this one. Okay, sorry, A dash B dash by DP or PD, that is equal to A dash, this point is F, A dash F by PF. Okay, we know very well the term PD. Okay, PD is equal to AB, PD is equal to AB, so we can write that is AB. Then above equation became A dash B dash by AB is equal to A dash F by PF. Here this is equation 2 equating 1 and 2. Then we get PA dash by PA is equal to A dash F by PF. Okay, here we know PA dash, that is the distance from pole to the image. Here PA, distance from pole to the object. PF, distance from pole to the focus. Okay, these quantities we know, this is V, this is U, this is F, but A dash F, there is no quantity we derived, so we can consider A dash F is equal to, that is P A dash minus PF. Okay, see, A dash F can be written as P A dash minus PF. P A dash we know, that is V, PF, that is we know F. Okay, substituting in this expression, then P A dash by PA is equal to A dash F became P A dash by PF by PF. Okay, then we are applying sign convention. Applying sign convention, we know PA, that is the distance from pole to the object. Here the object is in left side, so we are going along the principal axis towards left, so we are consider this one as minus U. PA dash, that also in negative x axis, so minus V. Then PF, that also in negative, so minus F. Okay, substitute in the above expression, then PA dash became minus V, then PA became minus U, this PA dash became minus V minus of minus F. Okay, then minus F. On solving this, minus minus going to cancel, then V by U is equal to minus V plus F minus F. Then it became V by U is equal to minus of F plus V by F. Okay, then next, after this modification, V by U became V by F minus 1. V by U, that is equal to V by F minus 1. Okay, then I am dividing the entire equation by V. Then we get 1 by U is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by V. On solving this, we get 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is known as mirror equation. Okay. Then lateral magnification. That is simply magnification. Okay, magnification means how much times the height of the image vary with the object, or how much times the distance of the image vary with the object distance. Okay, lateral magnification, it is represented by the symbol m, that is defined as it is a ratio of height of the image, that is h dash, to the height of the object. That is h. Okay, there is no unit for lateral magnification. Okay, here we know this distance is h, sorry, this height is h and this height is h dash. So we can say m is equal to h dash by h. So we can write a dash b dash by ab. We know a dash b dash by ab, that is equal to p a dash by pa from the above equation. Okay, a dash b dash, that is h dash, a b, that is h, that is equal to p a dash by pa in the above expression we already solved in mirror equation. Okay, for that equation I am applying sign convention. For that case we know a dash b dash, that is the height perpendicular to the principal axis downward, so we can write this one as minus h dash. Then a b, that is height perpendicular to the principal axis upward, so we can write plus h. Then p a dash, that is the image distance, that is minus v. p a, that is object distance, minus u, because both are on a negative x-axis. Okay, substitute in the above expression, that is equal to m. Okay, then m is equal to a dash b dash, that is minus h dash, that is h. This one is minus v, this one is minus u. On solving this we get m is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. Minus minus cancel, this minus come this side. Okay, here this is the equation for lateral magnification, or also it is said to be transverse magnification. Okay, for this equation, in order to write this equation in terms of focal length, okay, so I use mirror equation. We know 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, in order to write the magnification in terms of v and f, so I multiply the mirror equation with the value v. So I get the value v by f is equal to 1 plus v by u. On solving this, v by u is equal to v by f minus 1. Okay, substitute this value in the magnification. Then magnification m is equal to, we can write m is equal to minus v by u became v by f minus 1. After solving this we get 1 minus v by f. Magnification in terms of focal length and image distance. Okay, then m in terms of u and v, u and f. Okay, for this we consider 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. That is a mirror equation. Multiply this equation with in terms of u. Okay, multiply this equation with v. Then we get 1 by, sorry, v by f is equal to 1 plus v by u. Okay, on solving this we get v by u is equal to v by f minus 1. Again solving this we get v by u is equal to v minus f by f. On reciprocaling it we get u by v is equal to f by v minus f. Okay, substitute in this expression. Okay, then we get m is equal to minus v by, sorry students, there is a little mistake, I multiplied with v. Okay, 1 second solve this one alone. Okay, we need m in terms of u and f. 1 by f is equal to 1 by b plus 1 by u. This is a mirror equation. Multiply this mirror equation with the term u, then we get u by f is equal to u by b plus 1. Okay, on solving this we get u by f, we need u by b. Okay, u by b is equal to u by f minus 1. Okay, on solving this, u by b is equal to u minus 1, u minus f by f. We need the value of v by u because m is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. On reciprocating it, we get v by u is equal to f by u minus f. Okay, substitute here, then m is equal to minus f by v u minus f. Okay, 1 second solve this, then we get f by f minus u. M is equal to f by f minus u. This is a lateral magnification in terms of f and u. That one is m is equal to f minus v by f. Lateral magnification in terms of focal length and image distance. Okay, thank you.